ẹ̀yin èèyàn ẹ mọ̀ súnmọ́ bí àwọn nǹkan kan mà tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ tó máa ń ṣeni ní kàyéfì kódà tó ń yani lẹ́nu fọ́nrán kan mà ló máa ń dára rẹ̀ lórí ẹ̀rọ ayélujára tó sì jẹ́ pé eléyìí ó ṣeni ní kàyéfì ńlá tọ́ ẹ̀yin èèyàn ẹ mọ̀ wá jẹ́ dènà pẹ́nu ẹ jẹ́ kí n gbé ń débẹ̀ pápápá tó bá jẹ́ ìgbà àkọ́kọ́ yín lè tẹ bá ìkànnì pàdé akin káàbọ̀ sórí ìkànnì Kúnlé Ìjẹ̀ṣà níbi tá a ti máa mú nǹkan wá lọ́lọ́kan òjọ̀ kan ẹ wò ó bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe ń wọlé sórí ìkànnì wa ẹ dákun ẹ bá wa tẹ subscribe button yín ṣé ẹ wá rí subscribe button tẹ́ wọn ò já yín lówó ṣùgbọ́n kẹ́yìn náà kẹ́lẹ́ bá mọ láǹfààní àtòrí ọ̀fẹ́ sí gbogbo tá a bá mú wá sórí ìkànnì níbi subscribe button yẹn ẹ rí kíní kan báyìí bí aago ẹ tẹ̀ ó làwọn olóyìnbó ń pè ní notification bell òní ò mọ táyé lólobó lóòrèkóòrè bá a bá tún ṣe mú fúnra wá sórí ìkànnì wa ẹ̀yin lẹ́ẹ̀mọ̀ jẹ́ ní àkọ́kọ́ tẹ́mọ̀ rí bẹ́ẹ̀ sì ń bá wa tẹ̀yìn náà bá dáwọ́ yín lé òrèrè báyìí la máa já sí ẹ má gbàgbé àdéhùn alámúṣẹ lórí ìkànnì Kúnlé Ìjẹ̀ṣà pé gbogbo nǹkan tó bá ń lọ káàkiri gbogbo àgbáláyé làá mọ̀ mú wá lọ́lọ́kọ̀ òjọ̀kan tẹ́yìn náà tẹ́ẹ̀mọ̀ fojú ara yín rí tẹ́sì mọ̀ fi etí ara yín bọ̀ tọ́ ẹ̀yin èèyàn kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀ kí ni kàyéfì tó tún jà rìnrìn lórí ẹ̀rọ ayélujára ẹ wò ó.
You know what? God will not help Nigeria to remove president. No. God said, I will not remove any president for you Nigerians. God said that your prayers will not be answered. God remove this man. God said he will not remove Tinubu. Oh God. Abẹ Ọlọ́run débẹ̀ ni Ọlọ́run ní yọ ó ní ẹ̀yin lẹ́ yọ fúnra yín Ọlọ́run ní gbàdúrà wọn. Ó gbọ́ ó ní títún bá tún wá mọ̀ òun bẹ̀ ẹ sọ pé kí ẹ gbìyànjú ẹ̀ sì ní rí yọ ṣùgbọ́n ṣé yóò mọ Ọlọ́run bẹ̀ can Tinubu appeals to God for him not to be removed? Nigeria is angry. Nigeria is annoyed. Nigerians, they are ready, desperately ready to remove Tinubu out of office. Bẹ̀tẹ̀ dìbà mú Nigeria wọ́n lè má rí yọ o. Àwọn tó lè má dùn jùlẹ̀ àwọn tó jẹ́ pé wọ́n gbádùn ìjọba àwọn tó bá yọ wọ́n ṣẹ̀wọ̀n. Those that are benefit more will be the people that will go to jail. If they mistakenly remove Tinubu, many people will go to jail in this government. Many governors will be sentenced for life. That's why you see that the governor will be sentenced for 200 years, 150 years. Oh, boy. Nigerians will come out strongly to fight Fulani. They will get tired. When you attack them, they will attack you. Nigeria will take laws into their hands when the security people doesn't know what to do. Call it. It is going to be a battle. Fulani is a battle because the government is afraid of handling them appropriately. The government they are using sentiment in addressing this, and I guess Tinubu is afraid of Fulani, and Fulani is going to Fulanize him. You can't tell him like that. If don't act, Nigeria will act because they are ready to destroy Tinubu's government and to destroy the unity of Nigeria. It's a message of the Lord. NDC in Ghana will embarrass MPP. They will be arresting them, intimidating them, and this will cause problems. Mama, be careful. By 2030, they will be free of carbon emission. Many things they will be doing. There won't be any carbon. 2030. Tank farm in Nigeria, let's pray that it will not get explode. All the tank farm operators, let them act on this. In DRC, Congo, the president will do everything to change the constitution to his own suit. And that one will not be allowed. No, it won't be allowed. the people will demonstrate, and because the president wants to become not life president, they want to go for third term and fourth term. In US, UK, France, Nigeria, I say plain collide. That is plain collusion is imminent. Forget, ADC cannot win Osun. NDC, ADC, no way in Osun State. ADC, PDP, you can't win Ekiti. Leave Ekiti for APC. In the next 2 weeks, stock will slump. Stock. Both American stock and America will run to debt in the next 2 weeks as well. In Kwara State, the person they pick in Kwara State, they will not vote in. Mark my word, underline. In Adamawa State, mark it, underline, take it to anywhere. Galadima will not win. And if care is not taken, they will shock Fintiri, senatorial. Any governor who said that don't worry, there is no problem. There is problem in Kaduna, Kanu, Sokoto, Yobe. It might be a battleground for APC. Battleground for APC. Don't say no. People are not happy with this government. That is the truth. And nothing but the truth. Gambia. You know what? I'm still saying it. Do anything you like. The ruling party, if you are not careful, if you don't change the strategy, the modalities, opposition will unseat you. And your president, Boro, must not go and take a step that will hinder his party, that will paralyze his party completely. Likewise, Zambia, the opposition there are not ready to remove the president. As a matter of fact, if there's an election today, the present president will win. And nothing happens. Nothing. He will win. Zimbabwe, what I'm saying in your country is that bringing it the white farmers into your system, not that it will not boost your economy, but it will enslave all the Zimbabwe people. Your economy will be in a coma. The beginning of the economy will be fine. Your president will forsake the economy and you will become a slave. And this president will continue to rule you till eternity. Underline my word. I talk as prophet, not as philosopher, not prediction. No, exactly what will happen. WAEC, the way they will be writing WAEC will be changed. The name of WAEC, West African Examination Council, will change. That name will not be that name again. The modalities of writing it will also change. ASU is about to go to strike. ASU, they are planning to go to strike. Pengasin and Nupeng, they are also planning a protest. Don't protest, Joe. Tinubu will get angry with security officers. Tinubu will get angry. And then, mind you, it will change any of them at any time from now. Because he's angry. DSS will rescue Tinubu because there are documentation that will expose a lot about Tinubu's government. But DSS will get to the root of it. International committee wanted to expose what Tinubu government is all about. Secret things is about to come out of this government. If you come out, it will ruin Tinubu second time. Don't allow it to. DSS, listen to DSS, so they will do something to comfort Tinubu. We have to pray. Virus that we say shut down schools is coming on. The virus will start shut down schools. It's not Ebola. We're not talking about Ebola. The virus start from schools, shut down schools. Ministry of Health is a warning. Take it or you leave it. See, IT, another security support will come from another country, not from Kenya alone. And America will be the source of helping Haiti. And the IT government, the gangs, they have not get solution to them. Oh. They are like another Boko Haram in that territory. They will suppress that country to a extent that the election they want to do in August, they will not do election. APC will start reconciliation. That reconciliation, people who stay in that party will now become enemy. They will be the one to allow enemy to enter. Tinubu don't say that opposition cannot win you. Opposition, Nigerians and opposition and international community are ready to fight Tinubu, stand still to remove him, except it takes a serious step to survive. American company will invest more on AI. And that will cause a lot of problems. Serious one. Very serious one. Republican and Democrats, they are going to cause problems within themselves. Likewise, in UK, the parliament there will be confusion. Absolute confusion. Total confusion. South Sudanese president should go and take care of his health. Your health can jeopardize you completely. Building collapse in Lagos, Port Harcourt, Abuja. Taxation, right? I see fraud in taxation. And taxation, people will vote against it. Because many taxation will be coming, many taxation. We have not seen the effective of that taxation. Taxation is coming. We have not seen the effect. It's coming big way. Just mark it and wait.
Ẹ̀yin ọlọ́gbọ́n èèyàn, ẹ̀yin amòye èèyàn, tẹ́ ẹ jẹ́ olólùfẹ́ Kúnlé Ìjẹ̀ṣà, àtẹ̀yin tó jẹ́ pé ìgbà àkọ́kọ́ yín rè, ẹ jẹ́ ká máa gbọ́ èròǹgbà yín látàrí fọ́nrán tá a mú wá sí etí ìgbọ́ ẹ̀yin olólùfẹ́ wa yìí. Ẹ máa comment, ẹ máa bá wa share rẹ̀, ẹ máa pín lógúnlógún, ẹ máa pín lọ́gbọ̀nlọ́gbọ̀n, ẹ jẹ́ kó kan nílé, ẹ jẹ́ kó kàn àlejò, ẹ pín sórí Facebook yín, sórí WhatsApp yín, sórí TikTok yín. Ẹ wò ó, ibi táwa fi àdàgbà ètò ìsọlẹ̀ sílẹ̀, ẹ tẹ subscribe button yín, kẹ́ tẹ follow button yín, kẹ́ ẹ lè máa jàǹfààní lóòrèkóòrè lórí ìkànnì wa. Ire báyìí lójú owó rí, ire lójú ọlá rí, ire lójú gbogbo wa ọmọ rí o. Ìpàdé wa bí oyin, ó dàbọ̀, ẹ ṣé.